Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to look through all values in a dictionary. If we are only interested in the values of a dictionary, and we can use the values method to return a sequence of values without any keys. For example, uh, we can simply want a list of programming languages, and we just need to print the values without the name of a person. So we are just gonna print the values from our dictionary, such as Python, C++, and Java. So let's see. We print the message first. Programming languages. For language in programming, we are going to call values method, and then print each language dot title. The for statement here pulls each value from our dictionary and assign it to the variable lang. When these values are printed, we get a list of programming languages. So let's run our code and check the output. So here are our programming languages. This works very well, but it pulls all the values from our dictionary without checking for a page. So if we have duplicate programming languages names, let's add few. So this will be Tom with Python again. Robert with the C++. Let's run our code again. And we can see the duplicate name of programming languages. So we don't need a duplicate in our case. So we are going to use a set to see each language chosen without a repetition. We can use a set. A set is a collection in which each item must be unique. So we are going to surround programming languages with set, and we are going to run our code again. And now we have just the unique name from our dictionary, the values of programming languages. So when we wrap set around a collection of values that contains duplicate items, Python identifies the unique items in the collection and builds a set from those items. So we use a set to pull out the unique languages in our programming languages values. So the result was a non-repetitive list of languages. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.